Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMMJ. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a couple weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get things updated here as this one remains very popular out there, and the questions and requests are continuing to come in. And today, really, if I had to summarize it, it finally acted human. After the past couple of days where it was just literally up and up and up, today it finally pulled back here a little bit. And I don't say that in a negative sense at all. It's just as fun as it would be for prices to be able to go up and up and up every single day. That's just not how the market works. Prices need to pull back, and as long as consolidations are healthy, then within the grand scheme of things, that's just part of the game, and it's not like anything is bearish. Now, if you maybe bought right up there at the top and are hoping to sell within 2 seconds, then yeah, for you, maybe the chart's looking a little rough, but from the broad scope of things, the overall perspective, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base, put in a higher low, and that's the name of the game. So as far as supports and resistances are concerned, nothing new to really report on that other than just kind of confirmation of levels that I've talked about in the past. First level of confirmation right here at $1.70, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous day's videos. But you can see the price came back down here. Slightly got below it, but then the bulls very quickly snapped the price back upwards. So good to see that this range right here at $1.70 did indeed hold as support. And then the other one that we've talked about down here at $1.55, wasn't even close to being tested. So $1.55 still remains as support. And then the other kind of quote unquote confirmation level is just simply the level of resistance up here. That red line, which represents $2. Opening 30 minutes, you can see right here, price actually did peek its head up above it, but that didn't last very long, and the price, fell back below it. So therefore, $2 is still kind of public enemy number one going into really tomorrow and the remainder of the week. But overall, things are still perfectly fine. Heck, the price could technically come all the way down here, bounce around, and then head back up. Even at that point in time, you'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have that set right there. You'd have that set down here. You'd have that set. And if you picture each of these stair steps, the stair steps would still be very clearly in the upwards direction. So sure, it wasn't the most exciting day in terms of, the price breaking new highs and all that good stuff. But, from a just overall perspective, totally healthy day. Prices building a higher base, and that's really all you can ask for. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.